Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. In this video, I'm going to talk to you and show you how to adjust the closet rods in our system. Here we go. If you have a Closet Doctor system, you have one of three rods. So our standard one that we've used for years and years is the oval chrome. We also have this one here that is an hourglass shape, and we also have this round one. The round and the hourglass shape, they all adjust very similarly, but the round and the hourglass are the same thing. Let me show you the oval chrome. The oval chrome is really simple. It slides, it's in this, and we put it in, I'm doing this one-handed, we put this rod in, we put it in nice and tight so that it doesn't vibrate back and forth. And so you're just gonna give it a little bump up. Like I said, I'm doing this one-handed here. Your rod is gonna lift out, you're gonna pull it out of both sides, and now you're just going to reposition that bracket to where you need it, okay? Now, sometimes, this is a side thing. If you've got a shelf that's right above it that has one of these fixed shelves and you need to move this rod up, this shelf needs to move up and be a part of that system. I will put a link in how to move a fixed shelf. We have a video on that as well, but this is an integral part of the system. So we've repositioned our brackets left and right, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna put our rod back in there and it's gonna fit nice and tight. Now the round and the hourglass ones work the same way, just the bracket is a little bit different. It's a two-piece bracket, so we're gonna lift up on the rod and the bracket is gonna come off of it. We'll pull this one out and then this bracket pops out. You're gonna reposition it and the pointy part goes up and it's the same thing. And so is what you're gonna put on this end, you're gonna put that in. Once again, I'm doing this one-handed. And then this one here is just gonna drop down in place. It's nice and tight. That's how you move the closet rod. Super simple. If you've got a round one, it's the same type of system. It lifts off and it is on that type of bracket. So it looks like there's no way to do it, but it's super simple. Take a look at that. If you have any questions, and like I said, in the link below, I'll put a playlist that'll have how to adjust that fixed shelf as well.